Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, back in the building with another one. And right now, we have a very special unboxing. You know what I'm saying? This is a Casio. I'm not going to tell y'all which one it is. You know what I'm saying? Because I think this is the bomb shiggity. I wanted it to be a surprise. So let's get into it right quick, yo. You know what I mean? Unbox this joint. Or if you wondering, I got on the Seiko, SNE 573. But let's go. Look at this. Vintage Casio. Yo, trying to tell y'all. Yo, I love this Casio vintage collection stuff. You know what I'm saying? They're coming out with a lot of bangers. You understand? So, yo, let's get into the unboxing right. Here we go. Vintage Casio collection. Let's open it up and see what the hell is going on. Yeah, that is fire. It's fire. Open him up. Oh, look at that. Woo. Look at that. The Casio. This is what they call the Tiffany blue, y'all. Ooh, boy, this thing is awesome. You know what I mean? You know, if you really want a Tiffany blue watch, you know what I'm saying? You can settle for the Casio Tiffany blue. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a fly, dope ass watch. You know what I mean? Look, ain't that beautiful? Yeah, that is definitely hot. It's a little bit thinner than what I thought it would be, but that is definitely a hot pocket right there. All right, now we'll take all this plastic off. Let's see. Let's go. Take all that off. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. Casio make great watches, man. Affordable great watches, and you can't deny them, man. So, yo, let's try them on the wrist right quick. Right, here we go on the wrist. Yo, I could take probably about 3 or 4 links up out of here. But, yo, that's the way it look on the wrist, yo. Beautiful. Oh, that's so fly. So, yo, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a wristwatch short on this watch tomorrow when I get it sized and stuff. You know what I mean? So y'all could definitely check out and see what it really looks like on the wrist. But it looks good. It looks good, yo. So check this out. This your boy Pete Ross. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We just breached 10K subs, and I want to thank everyone for who subscribed. You know what I'm saying, who communicates with me on this channel. I really appreciate it, you know what I mean? So let's get into it. Ross Wristwatch Love, the Casio Tiffany Blue in the building. Peace.